Welcome back, goodies. Today I'm going to be making some Jamaican style jerk cabbage, and I'm making it with some saltfish. So here you can see I have my cabbage washed and already cut up, and here I have my saltfish that I boiled out some of the salt out of the saltfish and I already picked it up. I have some diced carrots, I have my onion, garlic, thyme, and I have my jerk sauce or my jerk marinade. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to add our seasoning to the pot. So here I have some oil in my pot, and I'm just going to put all of my seasoning that I went over in the pot. So I'm just gonna allow this to saute for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add the saltfish and then allow this to saute for another 2 minutes. Looking beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna add the carrots. So please, step by step, please follow the steps to have your perfect jerk cabbage. Okay, now it's time to add the cabbage. And then you're just gonna spin this up. Okay, so just keep on tossing your cabbage around. You don't need to add any water to this, no water needed. So once it cook a little bit, just cover it. But at this point, you don't need any water in your cabbage. Because the jerk marinade is a little bit spicy, we don't add any pepper or salt. But we're gonna taste it, and if we need any salt, we're gonna add a little bit of salt, or we're going to add some Maggi seasoning. But we're not ready to add that yet. We're going to taste the pot first. Okay, so I decided to add a little bit of the Maggi seasoning. No salt, just the Maggi seasoning, and this should do it. Okay, goodies, so this is the final result. It is looking beautiful. It tastes so good. So please try out this recipe and let me know what you think about this recipe. If you like this recipe, please hit the subscription button. If you have not done so yet, like the video, share the video, and leave a comment. Until next time, goodies, walk good.